Hello, third graders. I know it's been a while since we've done a library lesson because of the book fair, but I am anxious to get going once again. If you remember, before the book fair, we had the learning target of I can practice using the Destiny library catalog. And we talked about how destiny is where you want to arrive, library is where we are, and catalog is a list of showing us different items like you'd see around the holidays. So Destiny Library Catalog is using the computer to find the books you want in the library. And if you recall, a few weeks ago I showed you that it looks like this. You can type in what you're looking for on this line and choose keyword, title, author, subject, or series to get a result. We looked at screens like this. You can see in the green circle, it shows how many books we have in the library. In this case, 702 books about dogs. We see the title in this first black circle, which is Military Dogs. Call number 355.4 RUF. And the RUF does not come from ruff, how dogs sound, but from the first three letters of the author's last name, which in this case is Ruffin. If we look over here, we see how many books are available. And I told you when you see a 1, you should think I for in or a 0 as an O for out. In the pink circle, we see that we have one copy of this book, and that one copy is on the shelf. From there, I had you get dry erase whiteboards, and we answered some of these questions like what is circled? That would be the title. In this case, this is the call number. Then we have the author. Remember, it's last name, comma first. And what is this telling us? Well, this tells us that the book is available in the library. We have one copy and one is on the shelf. Essentially, it's telling us whether the book is in or out. Today you're going to do a similar thing, but we're going to do a lockbox activity, meaning you and a friend or a group of people are going to have a sheet with clues on it, and by answering those clues, you're going to get a combination to a lock that opens. But before you do that, I want to review a little bit more about Destiny Library System. So, let's say you are looking at Percy Jackson and the Olympians. This is the title of the book, and we see local copies available, 1 of 1, meaning we have one copy and one is on the shelf. This gives us a summary of the book. A graphic novel adaptation of The Lightning Thief, in which Percy, who is the main character, expelled from 6 schools for being unable to control his temper, learns the truth from his mother and his father is a Greek god Poseidon and is sent to Camp Half-Blood, a special camp to prepare him to stop a war among the gods. If we look down here, we see the different subjects of this book, anything that's in blue. So the different subjects in this book are friendship, comic book strips, etc., gods, Greek, fathers and sons, camps, friendship, gods, Greek fiction, fantasy comics, graphic novels, and so on. The cool thing is that you can hit this Find It button and it'll bring up more books about fiction camps. Take a look. These are similar books here. For example, Camp SpongeBob, Campfire Mallory, The Curse of Camp Cold Lake, The Cut-Ups at Camp Cluster. If I go back, I can try that again. Let's see, this time I want books on friendship. So here we go. Addie's Bad Day, Addie Learns a Lesson, The Adventures of Beagle, Alexis and the Missing Ingredient. All of these are about people and their friends. So here is what you're going to be doing today. Our new learning target is I can practice using Destiny Library Catalog information. I'm not going to have you actually go on the computers and look at Destiny, but I'm going to give you some similar information like what I just showed you to help solve a puzzle. Here's the scenario. This is called Escape the Creepy Creatures. Oh no, a science experiment went horribly wrong. Now creepy creatures are taking over the school. Teachers and students are quickly being turned into strange and mysterious creatures. If something isn't done soon, the school will become a creature academy. Your library teacher created a spray that will turn everyone back into a human. But the creatures have hidden the spray in a locked box. To unlock the box, you must answer the questions and discover the codes that will open the box. Good luck. What's going to happen is that Mrs. Messner is going to divide you into different groups, and each table or group is going to get this page. You see, it gives information about the lightning thief, very similar to what I just showed you. Then down below that information, you need to answer the following questions 1 through 5. How many copies of the book do we have? The words under the word explore are the books what? We're referring to these. The Find It button will show you books that are something, who is the author of the book, and the main character of the book. Once you've answered these questions correctly, you're going to have letters in each blank that has a star on it. You're going to take those letters up to Mrs. Messner and try the combination lock. If you are correct, you will unlock the spray that will solve the challenge. Good luck!